Hi, welcome back to the Book Vandal Shop. I have a little project share for you today. This is a little, a twig book, I guess you would call it. It's just a little paper bag journal that I made using a twig binding, and I'll put the link below from where I learned this at. Her name is Katerina, and I'll make sure I link her video. So I just have a little tassel here on the side for decoration. The digital kit was provided to me from My Porch Prints, so thank you, Stephanie, for providing that. It is called Winter Woodland, and I'll make sure that I link it below. Absolutely gorgeous kit. Not necessarily Christmas, it's more of winter, so you can use it all winter long in your journal, not just at Christmas time. So we have a little bit of layering here on the front. The cover is made with chipboard that I've covered with the papers. Okay, and like I said, it's paper bags. So every other page has a little pocket. And I have put large tags in the pockets. Now, I've not done anything to the tags yet. I think I may do a little bit of layering on them and maybe a little stitching, but I was getting excited and I figured it was close enough to being done. I wanted to share it with you. So here's a little snowflake cutouts, and so then I've put a little loop of sari silk there and let it peek through where the snowflakes were at. Glued on some coffee dyed paper, and if you look really close behind the coffee dyed paper, on the paper bag edges, you'll see I did some stenciling on every single one of the paper bags because I kind of wanted it to look like tree bark. So I'm hoping I have accomplished that look. See, there's some of it there. Okay, so we have a little pocket, little tab, and a flap. And then we have another flap. And this paper bag part, instead of opening like a regular paper bag, I glued it to be more of a slot to hold a journaling card. Okay. And it has a rabbit on it. Okay. And another little cutout. This one's a tree with some of the paper behind it. We have some layering over here. This is some corrugated cardboard that I've just torn and inked up, and I've layered it with some edging and some fabric ribbon. And we have another little pocket with a tag in it. More coffee dyed paper and snowflakes. Okay, and then so that was the first signature. The second signature here is just the paper bags. I have covered them with coffee dyed paper. So it's a spot to actually journal in. Okay, then we have the start of the third signature. It's just some, again, some layering with corrugated cardboard and some lace and some trimming and fabric. And another tag in a pocket. And again, I will do some stitching on these, and I'll probably have some ribbons on the edges of them. I was ready to show it off. I think it's so cute, and I love this digital kit. So thank you, Stephanie, for sending that. Really appreciate it, and I've really enjoyed working with this kit. And these tags as well. I'll probably put some little ribbons on them, but maybe not too much because it is getting very chunky. See, there's that stenciling again I was talking about. I think it really makes it look like tree bark, or I hope it does. That's what I was going for. Some more corrugated cardboard layering there with some burlap and some edging. Okay, and the last pocket. This is some fabric, some green colored fabric. I know it's showing up blue in my light, but it's a kind of a forest green color. And the last page, a little burlap 3-dimensional snowflake, just like the one that's on the cover. Layered with some lace. Okay. They're getting vocal in there. The dogs are getting vocal. Must be time to go. All right. So I just wanted to share that with you and tell you that if you haven't purchased Stephanie's Winter Woodland kit over at My Porch Prints, hey, grab that one up. It's a huge kit. Lots of tags, envelopes, papers, pages, you name it. It's in there, and it's absolutely gorgeous for this winter. And it goes really well with blue, and as you know, blue is my favorite color. So, all right, thanks for stopping by and taking a look at the cute little project. I'm kind of in love with it. I think I want to make a great big one now. All right, I will talk to you all very, very soon. Thanks for stopping by. Bye-bye.